Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a review on the L'Oreal's Le Stylo Le Today's video is a review on the L'Oreal's Le Stylo Smoky Eyeshadow Crayon. So I really like when brands come up with products like these because it's an eyeshadow and a crayon, something which is very convenient. There's so many people who don't want to invest in all, palettes of eyeshadows. There's so many girls out there I know that just want that one eyeshadow, maybe two eyeshadows, and that's it. Now it retails for ₹785 and it has 1.5 grams of product. So is it really worth your money? That's what the question is. Let's get started. This is what the crayon looks like. It is retractable, which means you can open it and then you twist and there the product comes out and you can apply it on your eye. That's it. And you just have to retract it back like a lipstick, and on the other side you have a cap which has a brush, and they say it's a kabuki brush. Now the quality is decent, so it's a decent quality brush, but I like it when brands come up with something like this because there's product, and this is like one of those products which is on the go. You can carry it in your purse. I don't use this brush that often, but let's say if I'm out and I need a brush, I already have one on my product. I don't have to carry another brush with me. I have two shades with me. The first one is called Taupe Lady. It is like a taupey purple color and it has these flexes of glitter, like bigger glitter particles in it, which I don't understand why they put it. They just the smaller shimmer could have done. They did not have to put like bigger glitter chunks in it. Now the second color I have is called Antique Brass. So the product on the website shows it's almost like a rusty color, and I was like, okay, now that is something I wanted to get from this product. When I got it, I was like, oh, that is not the shade. This is what the shade looks like. As you can see in the swatch, this is nowhere close to a rust color. It didn't look like the shade what it is, but thank God I really like the shade Antique Brass. It does look beautiful. It's this beautiful golden. It could be a technical glitch, I don't know. It's always advisable whenever you're looking for lipsticks, foundations. You can always search for swatches on YouTube. That will give you an insight how the product actually looks, and not just that, you get to know what is the experience of the person. And just like you're watching this video right now, it not only helps us, but it would help you also. Now the biggest advantage I feel is that it's quick and it's convenient. Open it up, twist it, apply, blend it, and you're done. It is a process that is done in 10 to 15 seconds, and that matters. And you know what, if you're getting late, you can just put it in your purse and just carry it with you. Another plus point is that it does not need a sharpener. That is why it is very convenient, because that's another added step to your routine. You save one step and then you save time. Use them as an eyeshadow base, just apply it, and then on top of it you can use another shadow of a similar color and it will pop even more and it is going to last more. It always happens with eyeshadows because a base really helps an eyeshadow to sort of latch on and stay for a longer time. And these products, like I said, because they're so convenient, so easy, this makes them great for beginners and all of us actually, if you want to get ready quick. Another benefit of using this product is that it not only acts as an eyeshadow but also as a liner, even on the bottom lash line. The shimmers will make your eyes look very angelic, and I do have a video where I have used it as an eyeliner. I will link it here on the top right corner and also in the description. Now the cons of this product: this is not very long lasting. You need a base under it, just like an eyeshadow. It's always better to sort of mattify your eyelid. You need to apply a powder and then apply this so that you get rid of the oils over there. The second con is, of course, the pigmentation. It is not supremely pigmented. One of the cons could be the price. Yes, because of the pigmentation and because it's not really long lasting. You should try to get this on a discount. You can get some really good offers. I also got this when there was some offer going on, and L'Oreal does have a lot of offers on Nykaa, so you can probably get it at that time. Still, it's a good product because I tend to use it and gravitate towards it. If you're like me, you like something which is very quick in the morning, very convenient, so you can try something like this. Alright guys, that was my review on the L'Oreal Le Stylo Smoky Shadow. I really hope you found this review helpful. Let me know in the comments what you want me to review next. If you like this video, rate the video positively, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram. The links are in the description box, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.